Let's make the 7-Year Storm from Kraken Rum. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the 7-Year Storm from Kraken Rum. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. This drink is an official Kraken Rum cocktail, and it seems to be their version of a hurricane, which is pretty cool, because I love hurricanes. The 7-Year Storm is an official Kraken Rum cocktail. In order to make it for you here today, I had to monkey with the recipe a little bit. And the only reason is because it is their recipe is spec'd for a drink machine, a frozen drink machine. One of those things that makes a slushy. I don't have a frozen drink machine, and I couldn't justify buying a frozen drink machine, even though I think I would love having it, because I don't know how much I'd really use it. So instead what we're going to do is I downgraded the proportions, and I'm going to shake it. Other than that, this recipe should be exactly the same as on their website. A note on the rum. This is a Kraken Rum official cocktail, so if you're going to make the 7-Year Storm from Kraken Rum, you should probably use their Kraken Black Spiced Rum. If you want to try another rum in this drink, feel free to do so, in which case it is no longer the official Kraken 7-Year Storm. As I mentioned before, we are going to shake this drink, and we're going to start by putting half an ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice into our shaker tin. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. 1 ounce of freshly squeezed orange juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. 1 ounce of freshly squeezed pineapple juice. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. I had a brain freeze there for a moment. Good thing this isn't a frozen drink now. 3/4 of an ounce of grenadine, and I do make my own grenadine. I actually have 2 recipes here on the channel. I'm still trying to decide which one I like better. One's easier to work with, one's tastes better. I'll link those down below if you want to make your own. 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 milliliters. Splash there, nice. Now we need some passion fruit puree. And I'd got this Mazzoni. I've never used it before. We'll see how this works. Oh, look at that. 3/4 of an ounce of this, if I spill it all over my wrist. Even if I do spill it over my wrist, 3/4 of an ounce, 22.5 milliliters. This may not be the best container for a cocktail, but it's what I got, so it's what we're using. That smells pretty good. And the rum, 2 ounces of your Kraken Black Spiced Rum. 2 ounces, 60 milliliters. Passion fruit syrup or a puree on my wrist has got me a little distracted. And I'm going to go wash this off real quick. All right, passion fruit puree washed off my wrist. I'm now going to go crack some ice, crush some ice. I'll be right back with you. I'm going to use this. Ice cracked, crushed. I'm going to put that into my shaker. Good enough. I'm going to flash shake this. And now I have a choice of glasses. I can try the Hurricane, which is what it looks like on the website that they're using, or I can use a Poco Grande. And I'm going to use a Poco Grande just because I'm not sure how full this is going to be. Well, maybe I'll use the Hurricane. Let's use the Hurricane. Because I can always add more crushed ice, right? Right. And I'm going to open pour that into there. Oh, good choice. I don't even need to crush more ice. Straw and garnish. The official garnish is a pineapple wedge and a cherry, which I have here on a little skewer. I'm going to drop that right in there. And there you have it, a shaken 7-Year Storm from Kraken Rum. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, do you have a frozen drink machine? And if so, what is the favorite cocktail that you make in it? Let me know in the comment down below, and bonus points if it's rum based, and extra points if you give me the recipe. I may make it here if it's rum based. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at the social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.